Ah. Hi, Judd here. It's about 10 o'clock. I'm looking at this and it looks like I got a little bit more of a mess there than I anticipated, so it's probably going to be quite a bit of work today. But also I'm sitting on my porch and I'm liking this. I like having those two trees clear and open now, and the squirrel running around up there. And I see, okay, I got a stump over here I gotta take out. I gotta throw them back a bit. I got a stump over there I gotta take out. And then all along here I got lots of stumps I gotta take out. So there's still quite a bit of work left before I run a lawnmower over that. I'm late, it's a little warm, so I don't know how much we'll get done today. Plus my pool is leaking. The hoses to the pumps are all leaking, and they're like beyond repair at this point, so I gotta take care of that. There's a bunch of other stuff I gotta take care of, so depending how long I last, it's gonna be a lot to do today. I'm troubled because I don't know what I should be working on. I got so many things falling apart, I'm not sure which one to jump on first, but I like the working outside, so that's what I'm starting with. Oh baby, there isn't much left today of me. Lower back is really not hurting so much. Well, it hurts, but it's like, no, I'm not going to do anything today. You ain't going to bend. So I don't know how far I'm going to get. And as I suspected, there's a heck of a lot more material there than I thought. You just see those two huge piles I raked up. And I sent half of that back into the deep. I don't know, I'm going to take a break and then see what we can do. Okay, that's going to be that on that for the moment. I gotta get up to the shopping center, get some stuff, and then we'll see what else I get done. I got that lower section clear, and you see there's a lot of grass got to be cut there. as well as some stumps removed and stuff. And I still got about 60% of the length to go, but there's not as much stuff there. So that'd probably be one more session to do that. Making progress, keep moving forward. Okay, pool. That tube right there I just replaced because I had an extra piece of that pipe. Live as it was flooding. Minimal spillage. So that's handled for the moment. But I want to show you something. Here's the old pipe, which you can see I've taped several times to patch it up. And finally the top end of it just got too bad and split right open. But I want to show you how extreme that split can get. You see how many splits there are in that? And I had most of them covered with the tape and it worked, except that last one just went too far and crushed part of the accordion. It was too close to the top there. So that just would not be patched anymore. So what I gotta do now is I'm gonna cut that end off and go see if I can find some real plumbing fittings that'll fit that so that I can get it onto the pump. That's the trick. Okay, 2 o'clock. Not really feeling up to anything, but I don't want to go lay down again. So I'm gonna go out there and do some more. I was thinking of chopping, but I think I'll finish off the raking first, with a definite lack of enthusiasm. But maybe I'll get better as I go on. That happens. Got another 2 sectors done. That's enough for now. As it gets easier from here on out. But that's it for me for this session. Maybe I'll get out here again tonight because I'm excited to get this done, because then I can get into cutting all those stumps and trimming all that grass and making that yard instead of the danger zone. So I don't have to drive my lawn tractor into the danger zone. Not hitting that key right. Anyway, and way down there you see the pile grows and grows and grows, and that's a problem for another day. Okay, so break time. Pool. I think it's pool time. It's hot now. Okay. Wow, remember the other day when I had the ants? I just noticed something. Look at that. Think I had a couple? Damn. They got me good.